I just want to give you a little bit of history behind ConscienceLAND. Um, it's been around for quite a few years, but in its recent past, a lot of it has come from meeting Greta Thunberg. In 2000, well, anyway, at the conference in Poland, I met the young activist, and right after that, I went to London, and that was the Extinction Rebellion. So I learned about these two things at the same time, and actually they both inspired me, both Fridays for Future and the Extinction Rebellion. You can probably see it here, Extinction Rebellion. Involvement in this was very much how ConscienceLAND found a large part of its activism. Now, you've heard that we've talked about the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. Clearly, this is our objective, is to solve these problems, with the exception of number 8, which is not, not something we can solve. But here in ConscienceLAND, we need to not only rebel, we need to not only bring to attention the problems of the existing system, we have to flip, flatten, and unplug. And this has come from these experiences, the history, and the very interesting people in ConscienceLAND, the Sustainies, the ambassadors, the coaches. These people who I've met, many of us have met. Once you join in with us as a citizen of ConscienceLAND, citizenship as a service, we call it. Once you join in, you'll find out that this is the network, this is the ecosystem that we need to show around the world. So that's it. And as I show you these beautiful paintings, can we call them, of the Earth. This is from Damon Pearson in Australia. He sent these to me. So on to the next section. Thank you so much for the opportunity to explain what we're doing here in ConscienceLAND.